Hi everybody, I'm Lady Red and welcome back to the channel. This is Lady Red's Tech Reviews. Today we're going to take a quick look and unbox the Samsung A53. Brand new and now available at Cricket Wireless. So stay here. Leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and as always, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and get all the notifications for the new videos. Alright, so we're going to unbox the A53. This is not a full review. This is a very super fast, super quick first look and unboxing of the A53 that is brand new and available at Cricket Wireless. For the full specs, please stay all the way to the very end of the video. They will be there. And for pricing and availability, please contact your local retailer or go online. You will not find that information in this video. So, stay here. Let's take a look at the A53.
6.5-inch full HD plus Super AMOLED display, 64 megapixel ultra high res quad rear camera, plus a 32 megapixel front camera, high capacity 5000 milliamp per hour battery, with 25 watt super fast charging, 128 gigs of storage, plus expandable memory up to 1 terabyte. IP67 water and dust resistant. You have volume 1 of stuff people don't read, the device, Cricket SIM card, and volume 2 of stuff people don't read. And inside you will note there is no charging block, and the cord is a Type-C to C. Thank you, Samsung, for changing the cord and taking the block out of the box, so the customer gets to buy a block separately or an adapter. We have a nice matte graphite colored finish. That sticker right off of there. It has a nice light weight to it. It's not as heavy as most devices with a battery of this size, which there is a very lightweight plastic back on this. You have your triple camera dock here with your, you have your quad camera dock back here, your tiny little camera there. It is slightly raised, not too much. And on the side, nothing. A clean finish on the side. On the bottom, a single bottom firing speaker, Type-C charging port, microphone. Your SIM tray is right down here on the bottom. Let's move. You've got power key and your volume rocker. On the top, just the microphone right there. Can you see that? On top, on the front, you've got your 32 megapixel selfie cam, and tucked in nice and neat right here is a speaker. Let's go ahead and get it turned on. Alright, so I've got it all set up here. You can see at the bottom it comes standard with button navigation. You can of course change that over to gesture navigation. Basic operating for a Samsung. You're going to scroll sideways to get to all your apps and check out the settings menu real quick. Basic Samsung stuff here. Connections. You're gonna it's gonna have NFC enabled. Everybody gave Cricket such a hard time because none of their phones had NFC, and now they are coming out with NFC in their devices default, so that's great. Sounds and vibration, notifications, display, wallpaper, themes, your home screen layout, you change it there. your lock screen, biometrics and security. This one is going to have facial recognition or fingerprint. Your fingerprint is going to be an in-screen fingerprint reader. Accounts and setup, Google, advanced features, Bixby routines. Why must we Bixby? Bixby is a thing of the past. Let Bixby die and stay dead. Digital well-being, parental controls, battery and device care, your app list, and this is going to come with some bloatware. Cricut is trying to do their part in removing some of it. They're doing a little better, but there's some stuff you are definitely going to want to make sure you don't allow in your device. Discover bar has been removed. I'm proud to say in many of the 2022 devices I'm not seeing Discover bar. Most of us were removing that anyway. Mobile services, we're still turning that off in everything we see. And then go on down here to the scoop. That's another one you're going to want to turn off. Just because it's real obnoxious and it can cause you problems with your phone. And general management, accessibility. Unless you are vision impaired, definitely make sure you keep your talkback turned off and your talkback shortcut turned off, because that can be rather difficult to turn back off if you get it turned on by accident. So you can check for software updates here, text user manual, about phone. This is all the information you're going to need if you want to put your IMEI on file. Software information, you're looking at One UI version 4.1 with Android 12, and you can check your updates here too. Google, you have your Google News feed here. Let's check out this camera. Okay, we're going to take a quick look through the camera settings. We've got fun mode, which is really just some stickers. Yeah, that's what it is. AR stickers. It's kind of cute. And, of course, portrait. Can adjust the blur. Standard photo. Macro. Standard. Zoomed in. And there's your zoom choices. Video mode. Wide angle. Standard. Zoom. And more. Pro mode is available. Pro video mode, that's something new. Single take, night sight, food, panoramic, macro, super slow, slow, and hyperlapse. Bixby vision. Oh dear, I have to see it. Bixby vision. Use your camera to discover more. So it's basically a Google lens. It's annoying. Yeah. AR zone. And there is all your little AR choices, all of your stickers. And your emojis. And you can dress up your own little emoji there. So that's kind of fun. And up here, you've got your different options for resolution and your size. You're going to have your lighting, your flash, auto, and whatnot. Timer. More settings are going to be here. And motion photos, which is live photos, and of course beauty mode. And there you are. That's your quick look at the camera. There is your quick speedy tour with your Samsung A53 5G, now available at Cricut Wireless. Stay here for the full specs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.